Whose idea was this? Did you think this was a good idea? Look at brother's face. Who got the paint out? Brother did? No? How'd he get it?
He built with stairs, did he?
He what?
He built with stairs.
He built the stairs?
Yes, did he?
With what?
With blocks.
With blocks?
Yes, he built the stairs, did he?
How come you didn't tell him no? 'Cause who's the big brother? You are. How come you didn't tell him no? That wasn't a good idea. Huh? Are you guys in trouble?
Yes, Daddy.
What should we do?
I don't know. I don't know.
You guys got paint everywhere downstairs.
Yep.
Do you think you guys should have timeouts? You don't think so? Do you think I should not give you guys any more juice?
What is funny?
Nothing's funny, bud. You guys have paint everywhere.
In the hair, Daddy? In the hair, Daddy?
Yeah, in your hair.
And my face?
Yeah, you have it all over your face.
Yeah. And my face?
How do you think we're going to get this paint off?
My hair now? What is funny? What is funny?
Nothing's funny, bud. You guys are going to be in a timeout, you know that, right?
Yep.
Nope. Yep. I don't think this is funny at all. It's not funny. You guys are in big trouble. Both of you guys are in big trouble.
What? Daddy?
Both of you guys are in big trouble.
What, Daddy?
Both of you guys are in big, big trouble. Yeah.
Big trouble, Daddy?
Big trouble.
Trouble?
It's not funny. Not funny. You guys are going to bed with no juice. No juice tonight. You understand that?
Yeah, you now.
Because I'm not very happy right now.
Yes. There's no more just now.
No more juice.
And no more juice. Yeah. No juice.
We're going to have to get you guys cleaned up.
Yeah. And my face. My hair.
Yeah. Your face and hair.
I'm a man.
And downstairs, you guys made a big mess downstairs. Who's going to clean that up?
Yeah, the big man.
Brother? Are you going to clean it up? Who's going to clean it up? He is? Why? Looks like you were playing in it too. Were you playing in the paint too? You were? Do you have any paint on you? Yeah? Okay. Well, we're going to have to get cleaned up.